Hello student, I am Ashish Chawla and today we continue the same topic, that is playing with number. In today's class we talk about the divisibility test. First we talk about how we can check the given number is divisible by 2. Divisibility by 2. If the number having unit digit even, if the number having a unit digit even, then it is always divisible by 2. Unit digit of the number is even, then the number is divisible by 2. Example 7, 2, 5, 6. Let's say this is the number. I can say that this number is divisible by 2. This number is divisible by 2. Why? Because its unit digit, that is 6, is even. Unit digit is even. So we can say that this given number is divisible by 2. Why? Because its unit digit is even. 3, 5, 6, 7 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because its unit digit is odd. For divisibility by 2, the unit digit must be even. So 3, 5, 6, 7 is not divisible by 2. Why? Because the unit digit is odd. So in this way we can check the divisibility by 2. Now the next, how we can check the divisibility by 3. Divisibility by 3. If the sum of digit is divisible by 3, then whole number is divisible by 3. अगर किसी नंबर की सारी डिजिट का सम 3 से डिविजिबल होगा तो वो पूरा नंबर भी 3 से डिवाइड होगा. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लेट्स से 5, 6, 1. 561 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digits, that is 5 plus 6 plus 1, that is 12, and 12 is divisible by 3. So that's why 561 is divisible by 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिजिट का सम 3 से डिविजिबल है तो पूरा नंबर भी 3 से डिविजिबल होगा. Therefore 561 is divisible by 3. In this way we can check the divisibility. Let's say take another example, 734. Now this number is not divisible by 3. Why? Because the digit sum, that is 734, is equals to 14, and 14 is not divisible by 3. So 734 is not divisible by 3. क्योंकि यहाँ पे डिजिट का सम 14 आ रहा है और 14 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होता, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि 734 भी 3 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. Now the divisibility by 4. If the last two digits of a number is divisible by 4, then whole number is also divisible by 4. अगर किसी नंबर की आखिरी दो डिजिट 4 से डिविजिबल होगी तो पूरा नंबर भी 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे लेट्स से 8, 3, 0, 0, 5, 2, 4. This given number is divisible by 4. Why? Because the last two digit, that is 24, the last two digit, that is 2 and 4, make a number 24, and we know that 24 is divisible by 4. As 24 is divisible by 4, so the given number, so 8300524 is also divisible by 4. अगर आखिरी दो डिजिट्स 4 से डिविजिबल है तो पूरा नंबर भी 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. Let's take another example. 7350. This number is not divisible by 4. Why? Because the last two digit, that is 50, and 50 is not come in the table of 4. 50 is not divisible by 4. So 50 is not divisible by 4. Therefore 7350 is also not divisible by 4. So in this way we can check the divisibility by 4. Divisibility by 5. How we can check the given number is divisible by 5? If the unit digit of number, either if the unit digit of the number is 5 or 0, then the number is divisible by 5. अगर किसी नंबर की यूनिट डिजिट 0 या 5 होगी तो वो नंबर 5 से डिविजिबल होगा. एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे 7325. This number is divisible by 5. Why? Because its unit digit is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Let's say if the number is 55552, this number is divisible by 5? No. This number is not divisible by 5. Why? Because its unit digit is 2, that is other than 0 and 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Clear? Now divisibility by 6. How we can check the divisibility by 6? As we know that the 6 is equals to 3 into 2. 6 having two factors, prime factors, that is 3 and 2. If the given number is divisible by 3 as well as 2, then we can say that the whole number is divisible by 6. So we have to check the divisibility for 3 as well as the divisibility for 2. If it is divisible by both, that is 3 and 2, then we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. Example, let's say the number is 5436. Is it divisible by 6? So first of all we check whether it is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 2 because its unit digit, that is 6, because unit digit is 6, that is even. Clear? So it is divisible by 2. Now for checking the divisibility by 3, we have to add the digits 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 6, that is equals to 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 6 18, and 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is divisible by 3. So 5436 is also divisible by 3. So we can say that 5436 is also divisible by 6 because the number is divisible by 2 as well as 3. So we can say that the given number is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 8. If the last three digit of the number is divisible by 8, then we can say that the whole number is also divisible by 8. Last three digit of the number is divisible by 8, then whole number is also divisible by 8. Example 5032. This number is divisible by 8. Why? Because the last three digits, that is 032, make a number 32, which is divisible by 8. So 5032 is also divisible by 8. So in this way we can check the divisibility by 8. Now how we can check the divisibility of 9? Divisibility by 9. Now, if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9, then the whole number is also divisible by 9. If the sum of digit is divisible by 9, then whole number is also divisible by 9. Example, it is 7, 2, 4, 5. This given number is divisible by 9. Why? Because the sum of the digit, that is 7 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5, which is equals to 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18, 18, which is divisible by 9. Therefore 7 2 4 5 is also divisible by 9. Now we check how we can check the divisibility of 11. Divisibility by 11. The difference between sum of the digits at even and odd places of a number should be 0 or multiple of 11. The difference between the sum of the digits at the even and the odd places of a number should be 0 or multiple of 11. जो नंबर है उसकी even places की digits का हम sum करेंगे, as well as odd places पे जो digits आ रही है उसका हम sum करेंगे, और finally उन sum का हम difference find करेंगे. अगर उन sum का difference या तो 0 आए या फिर कोई 11 का multiple, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि जो गिवन नंबर होगा इट इज ऑलवेज डिविजिबल बाय 11. एग्जांपल, लेट्स से 2354. दिस नंबर इज डिविजिबल बाय 11. व्हाई? बिकॉज हम पहले तो ऑड प्लेसेस डिजिट का सम कर लेते हैं. लेट्स से 4 देन 3, दैट इज 4 प्लस 3 7. नाउ फिर हम इवन प्लेसेस की डिजिट का हम सम करेंगे, दैट इज 2 एंड 5. सो sum is 7. Now we have to take the difference of these sums. This is sum of the odd places, this is sum of the even places. Now we have to take the difference, that is 7 minus 7, that is 0. So we can say that the given number, therefore 2354 is divisible by 11. Let's take another one example. 7260. Let's say 7260 is also divisible by 11. Let's check how we can check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. Now first we have to find the sum of the digit at the even odd places, that is 0 plus 2, that is 0. Now the sum of the digit at the even places, that is 6 and 7. 6 plus 7, that is 13. Now we have to find the difference between these two. So 13 minus 2, that is 11. So as we said earlier that the difference is either a 0 or multiple of 11, then the given number is also divisible by 11. So therefore 7260 is divisible by 11. So in this way we can check the divisibility rules for the various numbers. Now let's do one question based on it. Find the value of a if the number 1a4 is divisible by first 3, second by 9. Let's see how we can solve this. Now for the first case, as the number is divisible by 3, so the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. We have to find the smallest value. We have to find the smallest value of a for which 1a4 is divisible by 3. So for the divisibility of 3, we have to find the sum of the digits, that is 1 plus a plus 4, that should be 5 plus a. And we know that after 5, we know that the multiple of 3, there is 3, then 6, then 6. How we can make this 6? So for making this 6, we have to put the value of a, because the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9. We cannot equate 5 plus a equals to 3, because for this a is negative. Now the next multiple of 3 is 6. So 5 plus a equals to 6. When we equate 5 plus a equals to 6, the value of a equals to 1. So the smallest value of a for which this number is divisible by 3 is 1. Now, in order to check whether the given number is, in order to find the value of a so that this number is divisible by 9, again we have to find the sum of the digits, that is again 5 plus a. Now this 5 plus a should be a multiple of 9, because we know that the divisibility of 9 कि digit का sum 9 का multiple होना चाहिए या 9 से divisible होना चाहिए, तभी पूरा नंबर 9 से divisible होगा. क्योंकि ये नंबर 9 से divisible है, आपको दे रखा है, तो digit का sum 9 से divisible होना चाहिए. सो 5 प्लस ए एक ऐसा नंबर होना चाहिए जो 9 से divisible हो. तो या तो वो 9 हो सकता है या 18. क्योंकि हमें स्मॉलेस्ट फाइंड करना है तो हम 9 पुट करेंगे. तो लेट्स से इक्वेट टू 9 किया हमने इसको. तो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ ए? दैट इज 4. सो द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज 4 when it is divisible by 9, and the minimum value of a is 1 when it is divisible by 3. So that's our answer.